everybody. I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a kazoo with popsicle sticks. This will be an easy beginner craft tutorial, so let's get right into the video. All that you need are a couple of simple things. You need 2 popsicle sticks. I have these ones that are sort of like crafty, but you can use regular popsicle sticks. They work a little bit better actually than these. But you need 2 popsicle sticks of some sort. You need at least 1 elastic band, potentially 3 elastic bands, 1 or 3, depends on the style that you want to do. I'm only going to use 1. And then you need 2 pieces of straw that have been cut to about 1 inch or so thick, 1 inch or so wide. I actually put some masking tape, some painter's tape around these pieces of straw. You can see it's a straw in there, just to strengthen them a little bit. It makes it a little bit better. These were weak straws. These are like the straws that my kids use for the drinkable yogurt. So like they're just, you know, kids flimsy straws that are meant to be bent around. So I just put some tape, but you don't need the tape. It's really just to make it a little bit easier for me. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to get one of the popsicle sticks and you want to get your elastic band and wrap the elastic band around the popsicle stick lengthwise. Using a thicker elastic band would work a little bit better for this, but you want to just wrap it lengthwise like this. And here's a key factor that will make the difference between good quality sound from your little popsicle stick kazoo and bad quality sound. It is that you want the elastic to be straight, not twisted and wrapped around. You want it to be straight, okay? So there you go, very simple. Next, you're gonna take one of your straws and you're actually gonna go on one side of the elastic and you're gonna put the straw underneath the elastic. So this straw is gonna go perpendicular underneath the elastic, essentially between the elastic and the popsicle stick, just like that. Very simple, okay? The other straw, you're gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna go on top of the elastic on this side. But what I'm gonna do first is I'm actually gonna take my new popsicle stick, okay? And I'm gonna put it on top, running parallel with the other popsicle stick like this. Okay, as you can see right here, I'm gonna take my straw next, and I'm gonna put it on top of that elastic, just like I said, between the top of the elastic and the popsicle stick up here at the top, just like that. Okay, now what we've done is we've essentially created an elastic. Let me put that on camera there. Let's get it to focus. There we go. We've created an elastic that has a gap between the popsicle sticks. Now you can use elastic bands and you can also tape the ends of the popsicle sticks together. So where my fingers are, I can use elastic bands to keep those together. Okay, but what I'm doing, and I'm going to straighten this band out. I feel like this band is going to fly off. There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold it. You don't need the other elastic bands, but you can use 2 additional elastic bands to hold it together and blow into it. Now look at that elastic, how it makes the kazoo sound. Check this out. So what I'm doing there is I'm trilling my tongue while I blow into the popsicle sticks. Now, like I said, you can put your elastic bands on the outsides as well to hold it together, but this is the fastest and easiest way to see if it works. And then you can fine-tune it to be exactly the way you want it to be and sound how you want it to sound. Then you can put your elastic bands on the sides. Like I said, I'm just gonna start taking it apart. Like I said, ooh, because my saliva went on there, the blue is going on the elastic. Very interesting. Like I said before, a thicker elastic will produce a little bit of a louder sound. Full popsicle sticks instead of these crafty ones will produce a little bit of a better sound too. So it's up to you, but that's how to make a kazoo with popsicle sticks, an easy beginner craft tutorial. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Got some blue on my hands. Sorry about that. I gotta wash my hands actually. I'm right now, I gotta go into work and I gotta wash my hands so I don't end up with blue on them. Everyone's gonna say, why is it blue? I'll say, hey, they're blue because I was making a kazoo. Oh my gosh. My lips are blue too. What? Oh man, this is gonna be an interesting conversation to have. Why are your lips blue? I was making a kazoo. All right, I guess I'm drinking that dye on there right now with this water because my lips are blue. Oh man, this is gonna be a fun conversation to have. Okay, anyways, let me get to this conversation. So I'm gonna end this video. If you like the video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.